Check this. This is a 11.5-year-old club. 11.5. That took a big beating. Kom ons kyk gou wat die ding maak. Hoe lyk die ding? Waar is die peerte nou? I can't even see me. Oh ja, kyk die ou. Ja. Laat sit mos so daar om. Waar is die ding? Hier is die ding. Hier is hy. Oh, fuck. Waar is hy? Let's see. Oh, this thing looks after 11.5 years in racing. Massa. Okay. It was really fun. Oops.
A few moments later.
Yeah. So, let's look at those rivets. Not bad, eh? Not bad at all. Jurre. Okay. Het hem lekker punch gevat. Het hem lekker punch gevat. But, check out the rivets. Check die. Nog lewe, meneer. Nog lewe. Maar 11.5 years. 11.5 years. Check that. Check that thing. Oyster, man. That's now a look clutch, eh?